Pangasinan. Iyo si Mary Rose Sabas Palay, 22, proud ang pagrepresenta ng Banwang Agutaya. A simple, abundant, and paradise. Siya ang may describe ang Banwang Agutaya. As a little child who's born and raised in the municipality of Agutaya, who enjoy and live in a simple and abundant life. And of course, the contentment of life. And of course, I am here standing in front of you, proudly representing Banwang Agutaya and bringing you to your table the abundance of Agutaya, Palawan. In Agutaya, yan yung mga produktong mga Agutayan. At siya, tang ipinagmamalaki namin. At of course, kung anday bulat, at siya tang pamangan ng mga agunan. Yan yung mga yan, mga tambalang or seaweeds in English. And of course, Agutaya for us, Agutayan, is a paradise. So if you give me a chance to represent Bayan ng Agutaya in this coming Miss Soberano Festival Queen 2025, I will take you there and enjoy the life that we have there and experience our culture and practices. And of course, I would like you to explore the tourist destination of Agutaya, even though hindi pa fully developed and discovered by so many. And I will proudly to say that Agutaya ay mayading mga tourist spot na dapat pahingan me at i-embrace me. And of course, I am here standing in front of you with my advocacy rather, preserving the cultural identity of our Agutayan, not only Agutayan people, of course, the Palaweños. And I'm here standing in front of you, proud to represent the Agutaya, and let us help in bringing back the greatest and cleanest Palawan 2025. Sa muli, ako si Mary Rose Sabas Palay, proud ang pagrepresenta at nagalin ng Banwang Agutaya.
To our selection committee, you may now ask questions to our first candidate.